any of it to pay down the debt?
Well, I would use revenue from growth, which I think when you talk about
But that wasn't my question.
No.
Any closing loopholes, because you know what I'm getting at, which is this idea of the tax pledge. Do you consider this raising taxes? If you close a loophole, you get new revenue to the government, you use part of it to pay down debt, maybe the majority of it to bring down tax rates.
I know, but I reject the premise of that. I think that's a false choice. I think that
other Republicans in the Senate don't think it's a false choice,
I think it's a false choice, and here's why. Because I think the issue here is growth, and that's a good thing, by the way, that I think parties are now debating about. I think that we know what this election is partially about, and that is both parties agree that what we need is growth in America. It is the single biggest way. It's the best way to solve our debt problems, our unemployment problems. Now the debate is about how we generate growth. And the reason why I oppose tax increases is because I think they hurt growth. I think it's destructive to growth. But I think if we do tax reform, which would involve flattening the tax code, getting rid of certain exemptions that are in place today, you can do that in a revenue neutral way in the first year, but that would generate growth, and growth would generate revenue. And then you have to have the fiscal discipline to use that revenue to pay down the debt. So I think that growth is the only way to solve this problem, and I think tax increases would hurt growth. That's why I object tax increases.